Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your notification problem on your BeReal app. So a lot of people face this problem that they do not get a notification from the BeReal app to post their BeReal, or if someone's friends posted a BeReal. So if you want a notification for that and you are not receiving it, for that you need to go to your phone settings, and then here you need to go to apps. You will see apps here. You need to click on it, and after that you need to click on see all apps, and here you need to search for BeReal. So here is my BeReal app. I will click on it, and here on the top you will see a notifications button. You need to click on it. So now you need to turn it off and then go back again, and here you will see an off button. Now again you need to click on notifications and then turn it on, and I am sure that this will solve your problem. You will be able to receive notifications from BeReal. Here you can see that my notifications are on, and this will solve your problem. So I hope you found this video useful. If this method worked for you, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next tutorial.